Okay, people, welcome back to the trade recap. Today, we had one winning trade that hit both our TP1 and our TP2, and we're going to go into a review of that trade. Yesterday, we was down like 3 point something percent, but today, since we gained $700 on the account, which is almost 1.5% on the account, now we down to negative 1.92, so we gaining momentum on the account. Today, I'll be going through the trade I took that win that hit both TP1 and TP2. But before I do that, let me show you the history, the trading history in my FundNX account. So as you can see, that bitch is loading right now. All right, as you can see, today is the 12th, right? Today is the 12th. That's the trade I take. They have two positions because I had to put a take profit one and a take profit two. The first TP hit at $246 and the second TP hit at $492. So yeah, that's TP1, TP2. And after commission was like $30. It go a little bit lower. But I will add the exact amount some based on the screen. And that trade kind of play with me a lot. And I have some screen recordings I will put on the screen whilst I talking and explaining the trade to you right now. So as you can see, that's the trend leg where we took the trade. Before we even got to that, we was looking at all of these forex pairs in the market this morning, but GBP USD was giving us the best opportunity because the 4 hour was in a complete downtrend. Like this morning when I took the trade, the 4 hour candle was below that low. So the 4 hours in a low, the 2 hours in a low. Right now we're not in a low again because right now it's 2:57 and I was procrastinating to make the video. But yeah, the 2 hours in a low and the 1 hour was also in a low. So basically the higher time frames was in a downtrend, right? About around that time, which was the fuck, okay, which was around. I came in the market at 9:30, right? That's around that level there on that candle. But prior to that, at 9:25, I was watching the market and I saw that trend leg. That trend leg broke price structure going down. So usually, I would take a sell trade following the higher time frames. But with the new strategy I tested, which is even better than the normal strategy, the strategy I just used, right? Since I know that FVG was filled, that FVG right there was filled when that trend leg was created on that candle, I know most likely price going to not respect the higher time frame movement. Well, not higher time frame movement, but the higher time frame trend. It's going to go opposite. Boy, I just have a hard time explaining my strategy to people because I don't know. It's just something only me that can get. Like I don't know. Basically, I enter on the zero point 0.5 line because I know usually when price fill at FVG, it doesn't the trade does lose. And since I know the trade going to lose or go up instead of down, then I just betting that it going up. But not even betting, but I enter in a trade. I enter in a buy trade instead of a sell trade, basically in layman terms. So I put my first take profit at 1 to 1. Put my stop loss right there. My stop loss was there. First take profit 1 to 1. And then my second take profit was at 1 to 2. And y'all probably seeing the screen recording right now, some bits on the screen, but yeah. When price hit my first take profit, I put my stop loss at break even so that I not losing any more money on the trade if the trade just start to reverse. As you can see, price come up, almost hit my take profit, then go down. Come up, almost hit my take profit, then go down. Come up, almost hit my take profit, then go down. If I did not discipline, I'd have moving the trade early and cutting some of my profits. But you know that's not who we are around here. So yeah, we let that shit ride. And price eventually hit my TP1. And then after that, I was just chilling. Like I was chilling. I put my stops at break even. I was there frying my brain with some TikTok. And then price continued to go up. Open MetaTrader 5. See my take profit to hit. And yeah, that was it for the day. Usually I would take 2 trades in a day, max. But I didn't see any other trades on the other forex pairs. So that's why I didn't take any other trades. All the other forex pairs wasn't looking like proper trades. So I didn't take that bitch. But yeah, that's how today go. So we like we We starting to gain momentum on that account. But yeah, I don't even care about that 50k account again. Because after that 50k account, whether I pass it or blow it, then I going to just start trading on 5k accounts and then risk more in the challenge phase, like risk around 3% instead of 1%, because that shit taking long. Like I rather risk 3%, blow some accounts, but I know I going to pass a account quickly, basically. So yeah, but I still trading on the 50k. We seeing what going to happen on the 50k first, and then whatever happen on the 50k, then we move into 5k accounts. But that's today. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we still have 2 more trading days in a week. So let's see how that shit going. But that's after a 7 consecutive loss streak. So I think from the last video, if you was watching the last video, I think the thing that was getting me, that was putting me off on the trades, is that my trading view on my MT5 charts wasn't aligning, and I was only going off my MT5 charts. But they have 2 different data providers. So when I start syncing my trading view, what I see on the trading view, basically, if I see a trade on the trading view charts, I want to make sure that I see the same thing on MT5 instead of just going off of MT5, because that's what I was doing before and I incur all these losses. So basically right now I'm making sure both of my trades looking good on both MT5 and TradingView. So yeah, I think that actually improving a lot about the strategy, and I so thankful for them losses because it teach me a lot of shit. Teach me a lot of fucking shit. But yeah, that's it for today. See you